The following information is for the standard maintenance kit. Begin by assembling the pole. Attach the skimmer head to remove floating debris from the pool. Use the vacuum with your garden hose to clean the pool walls and floor. Running water activates the vacuum and pushes debris into the collection bag. Once you have cleaned the pool, remove the collection bag and rinse it clean. Some Bestway pools come with the Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. To set up the Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit, begin by assembling the pool surface skimmer. First, assemble the hook and attach the assembled hook to the skimmer body. With the hose connected to the bottom of the skimmer body, fix the skimmer onto the pool wall. Ensure the skimmer is positioned near the pool's outlet valve. For pools with connection valves, remove the strainer and attach the hose adapter to the pool's inlet valve. For other pools, remove the strainer and insert the skimmer adapter. Tighten the adapter. Connect the hose to the hose adapter. To operate the skimmer, insert the float with the skimmer into the skimmer body. Add the ring on top of the skimmer body. Please note, some skimmers have a locking ring. Rotate the ring to lock it into position. The skimmer will work during water filtration. Now, let's assemble the vacuum. Attach the brush to the pole. With the debris bag in the vacuum body, connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum body. Remove the skimmer adapter and connect the vacuum adapter to the connection valve. Place the vacuum and hose into the pool. Fill up the hose with water in order to remove the air from the hose and vacuum. Note, if there is air in the hose, vacuum, or pump, the system will not operate properly. Bleed the air purge valve on the pump to remove any trapped air from the system. Once the hose and vacuum is filled with water, attach the hose to the adapter. Activate the filter to start the vacuum. Once you've finished vacuuming the pool liner, unplug the filter pump and remove any debris from the collection bag. The last component of the Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit is the pool skimmer. Attach the skimmer head to the pole. Remove any floating debris from your pool. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.